going to be talking about Scratch, which is a great free block code program. If you are one of my second graders, you're already familiar with Scratch. If you are a kindergartner or a first grader, I highly recommend Scratch Junior, which is available on mobile devices like iPads and other tablets. So the first thing you need to do is go to the Scratch website, which is scratch.mit.edu. You can either type that in your web browser or you can click on the link in Clever on my Clever page. After you're here, you're going to go to sign in. If you are one of my students, you already have a username and password. If you do not remember that, just contact me and let me know and I can send that to you. If you are new to Scratch, just hit join and it will tell you how you can get your own account. So I'm going to go ahead and hit sign in. And it's going to show me a few extra things because I have a teacher account. But down here are featured projects. These are all things other kids have created using Scratch. Very cool stuff. Definitely check some of these out. If you're making something new for the first time and you're not quite sure what you want to do, I recommend going over here on this top banner to Ideas. And it will show you lots of different things that you can create. We, in second grade, we already did animate a name. But if you're not sure about how that works, you can hit the tutorial or you can look at the coding cards, which will give you still step-by-step directions. So you can click to try the tutorial and it will take you to a blank page and it will give you a little video about how to do it yourself. This is what that looks like if you're doing the animated name tutorial. Click this.
You can use Scratch to animate a name and bring it to life. Make the letters change color, spin.
So I'm going to go ahead and stop that, but this is also taking us to the Create page. The Create page was one of the choices along the top. When you get to a Create page, you'll have pretty much a blank canvas here. You have code, costumes, and sounds at the top here. Here is your workspace where you're going to drag your code over. And here is where you're going to add your sprite and your backdrop. Now, this is Scratch Cat. He is the sprite that starts every Scratch program. I don't want Scratch Cat, so I'm going to click on the X to get rid of Scratch Cat. But I am going to choose a new sprite, a new character. I'm going to choose this balloon. And then I want it to do something. So I'm going to go to Events, drag this when the flag is clicked, event code block. I love the cat. And then I'm going to go up to Motion, and I'm going to have it turn 15 degrees. But I want it to go in a full circle, so I'm actually going to go down to Control, drag the loop block over, put that in there, and I want it to do it 24 times because 24 times 15 is 360, which means it will go in a full circle. So now when I click the flag, it will turn in a full circle. But this is kind of plain over here, so I'm going to add a backdrop. I'm going to choose blue sky because I want my balloon to be outside. I'm going to click the flag again, and then it turns in a circle. If I wanted to add some sounds, I could come over here to the sound tab, and down here at the bottom are my choices for choosing a new sound. It's going to show me all these things. If I hover over the purple play button, it'll tell me what it sounds like. If I actually click on it, then I have that to work with. So I'm just going to choose a big boing. So I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to go back to my code, and I'm going to go to sound, and I'm just going to drag that over. So when the flag is clicked, all of these things will happen. It will spin in a circle, and I'll have my big boing sound. All right, so that is a very simple example. If I wanted to keep it, I would give it a name. Just going to call it Balloon. And then I could share it, or if I'm going to stop right now, I'm just going to hit Save Now, and my project is saved. If you want to see something you've already worked on, click on your name, go to My Stuff, and that will be where everything you've already done using the Scratch account that you're currently using is stored. You can also go back to Create and start a fresh activity. You can go to explore and see what other people have done. You can go back to ideas and see other tutorials. If you have any questions about Scratch, be sure to send me a message. If you need your username and password from school, also please contact me. Have a great day.